A lot of non-Muslim Australians are under the perception that Islam is a cultural practice rather than a religious belief.
It's cultural practice rather than a religious belief.
Yeah. And
so you can show them. You can just open the Holy Quran and show them. There's almost more than 700 injunctions and commandments in the Holy Quran, which are related to the religious beliefs. So Islam is the religion which covers every aspect of the life, right? Right from the basic unit of your house to the international level, the relation up to the international levels. So it is not a religious belief. Islam says the taqwa, the word taqwa has been used in the Holy Quran on numerous verses, uncountable, or you say more than 100 times, or even more than this. So if it is a cultural, then why Allah is emphasizing more on taqwa? Taqwa is fear of Allah, and then Allah says that you obey all the injunctions and commandments of Allah, given by Allah. And the purpose of your life, Allah says, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونِ. The purpose of your life is only to bow before Allah and say your 5-time prayers, right? That is the purpose of your life. So if the purpose of your life is mentioned in the Holy Quran to pray to Allah and bow before Him, then how can we say it's only a cultural practice and not a religion? What's the purpose of the religion? There are two main purposes of the religion according to the Holy Quran. One, to bring man closer to his Creator, the Allah, and the second, let the human beings understand their responsibilities towards their fellow beings. Right? So how can we say that it's only a cultural religion and not a religious, not a religion?
My question was how can we? My question was how can we correct them?
Close. Bring your.
My question was how can we correct them?
How can we correct them? You just tell them that Quran says that the purpose of a human being's life is to bow before Allah and prostrate to Him. So your every prayer, 5 times prayer, and every action and every posture of your prayer shows that you are actually in need of Allah's love, not in need of getting cultural benefits. Right?